What's up? This is the Faithin, and today I'll be telling you how to make money with shoes. And the first thing what you're gonna want to do is, let me just put this here. Yeah. The first thing you want to do to make easy money with shoes is know what's popular, know what colorways, what shoes. You gotta know your shit before you sell your shit. If you're gonna buy, I don't know, let's say Air Jordan 1 pattern breads, they're not gonna sell it well anymore because Air Jordan 1s are over marketed. Like they're just flush. Like Jordan 1s dunks were like 2021, more like comfy slides. Even Jordan 2s are making a comeback because it's the 35th anniversary and there's a lot of collaborations for the Air Jordan 2. So you gotta know your shit. Watch Seth Fowler and watch the DNA show. Watch like any sneaker content and you'll understand what's currently trending. Use StockX. Learn your shit, alright? Learn what Air Maxes are popular. Learn the difference between Air Maxes. When I first got into shoes, I couldn't tell the difference between an Air Force 1 and a Dunk Low. Like, to me they look the same. I was basically racist, but in shoes. Like, they all look the same to me. Now they look completely different. Air Jordan High, Air Jordan 1 and Dunk High. You get what I mean. So yeah, learn your shit. Second of all, know where to find your shit. Now let me just, as you can see here, here's an Air Max Plus. Now it's a triple black colorway. I typically don't go for blacks, but just because I want a bit more color, I want a bit more character. But this shoe is just beautiful. I love it. So this shoe cost me like 40 quid. Bargain. This is the best value of a shoe I've ever had. Second hand, but in great condition. Now these shoes here, these are Air Max 97s. So I bought this shoe thinking it was a Air Max Japan or Air Max 97 Japan, because the Japans are pretty popular for an Air Max 97. But however, it's got a yellow midsole, and the yellow midsole means it's a yellow armadillo. So the upper is the same as a Japan, but it's yellow. It's just not green. So I technically got my shoes wrong. So what I just said, I get it wrong, sorry. But however, it's an Air Max 97. It's a common shoe size. So I bought this shoe for like £7.50 at a boot sale. And I think I can sell it for like 40 to 50. And let's just say that I'm going to sell it for 40 quid. So this shoe, that's £30 profit over doing nothing. And it's great. You got to clean it up. You got to get rid of the scratches from the air unit. But you can do it. Maybe I'll make another video how to get rid of the scratches on the air bubble. Maybe I'll show you how to clean a fucking shoe, since no one's got brain cells. So I should not be insulting my viewers. Next up is it's another Air Max 97. These things are so popular and it cost me a tenner. However, this is another thing that you need to look out for. As you can see, there's no insole. So I just saw the shoe, it was a tenner. It's in great condition. There's a little bit of warnage on the midsole, but you can clean that. You can make it look good. Overall, this shoe is in good condition. I can probably sell it to 50 to 60 because it's a more popular colorway and it's a size 6. So like more people are that size, or women particularly are size 6. Yeah, so silver and white, great colorway. Make sure there's an insole, otherwise it won't sell for as much. And yeah, so just what you gotta do, go online, go to Depop, go on eBay. Don't go to StockX or Goat. Goat and StockX is like more professional, unless you want to flip higher price shoes. But if you want to like go to a boot sale, go to like Facebook Marketplace, if you find a cheap pair of shoes, you can just buy them and flip them. Now, where are you gonna sell them? You're gonna sell them on eBay. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna sell them on Depop. Now, the reason why you want to go to Depop and eBay, well, Depop, you have a lot of idiots. You go, oh, it's an Air Max, therefore it's worth 90 quid. It's like, bro, no, Air Max 90s aren't worth 90 quid. It's like, I don't know, I just feel like people there aren't educated. They don't know the true value of the shoe. Like retail, this shoe's worth like 120. Resale, it's worth like 30 quid. And then the person that I bought it off, they don't know where to sell it, so they sold it to me for a cheaper price. So don't like buy brand new stuff, buy it for 125 if you want the new stuff. But you can definitely get shoes a lot cheaper if you know where to look. So yeah, I'm gonna recap all this. What you're gonna do is do your research, know what's popular, know the colorways, know the shoes, know what's good and what's not good. Make sure you look out for fakes. If you buy fake, then like eBay will authenticate it and they'll say this shoe ain't real. You can then sell it on Depop if you get called out for having a fake shoe. But I personally wouldn't do that, since, well, you kind of scam someone at that point. If you want to scam someone, it's their fault for buying a fake shoe. They should know their shit. But saying that, you would have bought the fake shoe also, so you should know your shit. Don't buy fake shoes. Yeah. Make sure you clean them. Make sure you make them look as good as new as possible. Know where to sell them. Depop, eBay. Know where to find it. Garages, like the amount of parents that have kids that outgrow shoes. And like these teenagers, they like these shoes, and therefore you can sell them to other like teenagers and other idiots that also like the shoes. But of course the parents don't know the true value of the shoe, so you get it for a lot cheaper. So yeah. And also make sure it's a common shoe size. If you buy like children's shoes, children aren't going to spend big money on shoes. So make sure it's a common shoe size. Make sure it's a decent colorway. Like once again, Japan's a popular Air Max 97 colorway. But I bought the yellow armadillos, and that's a bad thing. The yellow armadillos will sell, but they won't sell as much as I wanted them to, just because they don't have that Japan hype. This is the next day. I just want to make a progress update, so I've cleaned the shoes. What I've done is put this, it's called a kiwi suede. Let me just show you what it is first. So yeah, here it is, simple kiwi suede. And what this does is a foam. I'll just demonstrate right now for you. Yeah, so as you can see, you get this foam really cheap. You get the foam, you simply put it on the shoe like that, and you rub it in. And so I've used kiwi foam. I've also put it in the washing machine for 15 minutes. I don't know why I would do that. That's 5 minutes. There, for 15 minutes. So cold wash for 15 minutes, because if it's hot, the glue will melt. If it's more than 15 minutes, you're just going to be spinning the shoe and it won't be helping. So, and also what I've done is I got a toothbrush and I scrubbed the outsoles, because I don't want dirt on the outsoles, you know, because I want the shoe to look brand new. I want it to look better. So it's not done just yet. I've also had a brush and I've scrubbed the shoe just to get rid of all the dirt. And if I turn here, you got these Air Max 90s. These I'm not going to resell, they just needed a re-clean. Once again, we've got the yellow armadillos, and I'm going to flip the camera now. As you can see, I'm going to try and sell this shoe for £50. Yeah, so hypothetically that is £40 profit. The laces are currently drying. Don't ask me why these still have laces. I'm going to sell these for 40, and I bought these for 750, so that's going to be like £32 profit. They may not sell for that much. I could sell them for a bid and risk getting more or risk getting less, but I think I'm just going to play it safe. Once again, these are small. These are too small for me, but these, I was going to resell them, but they fit me and they're beautiful. If you liked this video, like and subscribe, and this is the Faithin. See ya.